Hi there, everybody. My name is Adam Fox. I'm actually from Ireland. I come from a small town called Tullamore in Offaly. It's about maybe 10,000 people. I've been living and teaching in Daegu, South Korea for about 4 years now. Really enjoy it. I think I'm going to be here for another few years, maybe. Um, yeah, I currently teach elementary school students in a private elementary school. So that's really great, to be honest, working in an actual school, teaching students, helping them learn English. Um, my position is just as an English instructor, so I just teach English conversational speaking and communication and things like that. Um, the person that's had the most influence on me is pretty difficult because I've never actually really thought about that as anything. Most people say their parents, but wasn't very close to my parents, so I took a far more independent version of my life. So I guess I've been influenced by bits and pieces of everybody that I've come in contact with, but I can't think of anyone in particular, to be honest. The personality test was interesting. I have done one or two of these before, just mostly as a joke, but it was interesting to see how it worked out. I think it was pretty accurate. The factor one, I'm a pretty big extrovert, to be honest. I enjoy going out and meeting people, getting to know new people. I really dislike staying inside for too long. I get a bit itchy, so I need to be around other people a lot. I'm a pretty agreeable person. As long as I'm not too against what's happening, I'll go with the flow with a lot of things. I'm not going to make too many waves. Um, I don't tend to plan anything, so with the conscientiousness, I got a pretty low score. So I'm fairly impulsive with my actions, I guess. Probably not a good thing, but I try to live life as it comes, I guess. And yeah, um, the intellect, imagination, so openness and things like that. I got a pretty high score, which I think is pretty correct. I'm a fairly open person that kind of accept a lot of things, to be honest, and I'm willing to try new things quite a lot. Yeah, overall, I think it was pretty accurate. I'm a agreeable person that I get on with most people I meet, unless they're a little bit too out there. Um, when it comes to the leadership theories, I think the two that fit me the best, or that I would use most often, would be the democratic and the authentic leadership theories. The democratic is mostly because I am 100% certain I do not know everything about a lot of subjects, so I'm very willing to let other people like shoot their ideas, or like let me know what they think is going on, and compile that information then from there, just to make sure that I'm not the only one deciding things, because that's probably not a good idea. The authentic leadership, I really believe that building a proper relationship with other people in your team or in your business or in your school or whatever is very important. It An authentic relationship allows you to be more forthcoming with things, more open, so with problems or with things that you think need to change. I think that's very important in a business. And the issue with that is, working in South Korea, that doesn't happen very often. They don't really believe in an authentic relationship with people in business terms. So it's a little bit difficult, but in my classroom, I would I give my students a lot of independence, as long as they don't abuse it, which they do tend to do sometimes. But I believe in building a strong relationship that allows people to be open and put forward their ideas properly. There is drawbacks of those things. It can be quite time consuming and things like that, but I think it's worth it in the end. Okay, thanks everybody. I hope to see all of your ideas and things like that later. Okay, bye bye.